tinatanggal nila, gumaganito. Unboxing V2 Pro! So this is actually my, hindi ko na mabilang kung pang ilang pump ko na to actually. Second breast pump na Ma'am Cozy yung brand. So yung first ko is yung M6. So ito yung pangalawa. And this is also my second hospital grade na breast pump. Yes, this is a hospital grade Ma'am Cozy V2 Pro breast pump. O, ang lakas ko magsabi na hospital grade siya kasi nagtanong ako mismo sa kanila if this is a hospital grade na pump, and I also checked their website. Nakalagay din kasi doon sa description na si Ma'am Cozy V2 Pro is also a hospital grade pump. I know that there are better brands na hospital grade and mas okay yung mga trumpet style. But in my case kasi, since I am already 10 months postpartum mom or 10 months breastfeeding mom, so hindi na ako masyado pang naghahabol ng paramihan ng breast milk. All I want is to maintain lang. Or kung ma-boost, why not, 'di ba? Pero I just wanted to try this Mom Cozy V2 Pro Breast Pump. So, team enougher ako mga mommy. So, huwag kayo mag-expect ng bonggang pump and pour. Kasi si baby is more on latching talaga sa akin. Gusto ko lang din talaga mag-pump kasi from time to time may mga nilalakad ako. And I'm also planning to transition him sa feeding bottles na kasi nga, ano na eh, dalawa na yung ngipin niya. So, medyo dumadami na. So, mahirap na pag naging dinosaur, as in, super sakit talaga. Target ko rin talaga is, hopefully, 2 years of breastfeeding ako kay baby. So,